I'm surprised there are people dumber than me. Whoa, it's so organized in here.
The poison will infect your whole body after a while. On the bright side, you'll leave a beautiful corpse, just like your beloved Lady Liyue. Bloodless skin, white as bone, eyes sunken in their sockets, a body that's unable to even consume food. This was banned for a reason. Or are you too dumb to see that?
Is that the moron who brought a demon along with him? What the hell do you think you're trying to pull here exactly?
Who started this rumor about her?
Fine! Take it! Take whatever I have!
I always sing when I'm in a good mood. Why wouldn't I be? By this time tomorrow, I'll be with all my friends. Do you think you can tell us which is the right one?